How to pay Shopee using Touch and Go wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Shopee using Touch and Go wallet. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Shopee app on your mobile phone. Open the Shopee app and log into your account by adding credentials. You will see different deals and products on the homepage of Shopee. Go to the Me tab at the bottom bar of the screen. You will see your Shopee profile on the screen. Tap on the wheel icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Tap on the Banks or Cards option in Settings. You have to wait a few seconds to load the page. You will see different card options like C-Bank, credit or debit card, bank account, or BPI account. You can select any payment method you like. For demonstrative purposes, I choose Add New Card to enter details about the card. Add credit card details like name on card, card number, and expiry date. Go back to home screen of Shopee and scroll down to review all products. Choose any product you want to open details about it. Tap on the trolley icon at the bottom to add the product to the cart. You can select the color and quantity here. Tap on the Add to Cart option and tap on the trolley icon at the top right corner. You'll be able to view your cart and select the product you want to order. Tap on the option Checkout at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and go to the Payment option to select the method. Tap on Credit or Debit Card and add a new debit or credit card. Add details including name on card, expiry date, and card number. After adding details about your card, tap on Submit to start the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.